back to Daytime Live. We are joined by Sandra Griffiths-Riley of Yoga Angels International, who is here to talk to us about a campaign that is near and dear to her heart called the Riley Heartbeat Campaign. Welcome, Sandra.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Sandra. Are we Sandra or are we Sabadra today?
You can just call me. I'm happy to be called. Call me whatever.
Call me whatever.
I am all of that, right?
Yeah.
I am Sandra, birth, legal name, and I am Subhadra, spiritual mama.
This is Sabadra.
Which is right.
This is my yoga instructor. This is my, Subhadra.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, so heart disease is a growing concern for young and old people. So tell us what pushed you to start this campaign.
I don't want to sound so crude, but when my husband dropped dead of heart disease, and it is, I was crying this morning as I'm getting myself together. I sent an image to them, and that image pierced in my mind because you see, his name is Ryan Stephen Riley, for those who know him as Kush Riley, bouncing around on his toe, and he's always so energetic. You don't think that someone his age is going to pass away from heart disease.
Me for tell you.
And yes, and he's, you guys are probably similar age. I'm sure you know him.
Same age. Mm.
Same age. And I think what I knew, and I kept hearing him say, use my name, but I was thinking, woman, we want to hold her name too, right?
Yeah.
But then I understood he wanted people to know more. We want to know that people are young and dying of this disease.
Yeah, because we do associate heart disease, heart attack with older persons. You're not
Absolutely.
thinking that, I am assuming that my heart is not okay. So you say Kush, he was
38 years old, 2 weeks of his 39th birthday.
Before he passed away. Yeah. He was slender, so he wasn't overweight.
He doesn't eat meat.
He doesn't, because he was healthy.
He was very healthy.
He was sprightly,
Right, but we can talk about, and I really want to dive into this because people think that, okay, so I'm eating vegetarian. My husband was a chronic drinker and smoker, and not just of cannabis, but also of the
white
rum. And he liked the white rum. So I really want people to know, that I personally don't drink. It's not my thing, and I don't smoke tobacco. But I tell you something, it doesn't matter what you're doing, it's the amount you do it. And anything he did it hard, He was a warrior kind of person, and no glorification there because he's not here with me today.
Exactly.
And it did not serve him well.
Okay.
So I want others to be aware that it doesn't matter what age you are. Heart disease doesn't know age, and there's a stats that tells you that, from Jamaica Health and Wellness. Actually, it's called Jamaica Health Survey, lifestyle survey. It says that age 15 to 34, not age 15 to 34, and that was 30% of those people that's dying in Jamaica. This is Jamaica alone.
Yeah.
And it's a global.
How would you say that yoga helps with heart disease?
Oh God, in every way. Cardiovascularly, everything we do in yoga affects the heart, affects the lungs, the organs, your breath. So as much as I wanted my husband to do yoga, he was not a yoga kind of guy.
Yeah.
His coping mechanism was about, just drinking and smoking. And it's a cultural thing here in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Lots of people think that's what they cope with. But I'm saying, come to Yasso Fitness, do yoga with us. Actually, that's where I actually, we spent hours in that room.
Hours.
And you were not a yoga person.
No.
And she understood just by feeling it that this is something not just can prevent, we're preventative.
Yeah.
I'm much older than my husband, much older. It didn't matter to him and I, but we always thought we'd grow old together. We chat a lot about it, and we didn't have the easiest relationship, but we thought we'll just be there in the golden years, right?
Yeah.
So I'm saying just to others, listen, just try.
Okay, just try. I love that. So for me, when we met, doing yoga was something that you said that persons can do to help. But what are some other simple changes that we can do to help with heart disease?
Food,
glorious food.
Seriously. You have to watch what you put in your mouth.
Okay.
And I know I love ice cream, for instance. I forgot. This is when me and you alone. You know, I cannot deal with this woman. You know, she bring out the happy parts in me.
Yeah.
Anyway, the point is, you must check what you're eating. So if you're eating a lot of meat, and let me tell you, I'm not saying you have to cut it all out. I'm vegetarian, so yes, I believe in vegetarianism. However, meat cannot be your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You must balance your diet.
Correct.
You must drink water, lots of water. You're supposed to make sure that you're not eating too much refined sugar, too much white flour. Can't use the bathroom. If you can't use the bathroom, constipation is real in this country, then that residuals are hanging out in your colon.
Yeah.
And then once your colon is blocked, that is also a part of bringing towards heart disease. It's not just heart disease. Remember, heart disease is just one of the many. And it has behavioral patterns that lead us there. It doesn't just happen overnight. Right?
Okay, so
food.
Yeah.
Diet.
All right.
All right, so we're in the holiday season now, where a lot of consumption happens, right?
True.
So what can we do starting now?
Modification.
We have 30 seconds.
And it's a modification, and you have 30 seconds, and I want to tell people where they can come to come learn more about this. We have a detox cleanse we're doing all in November, right before the holidays. Yasso Fitness, we're there. You have my credentials, hopefully you're going to put it there. We have yoga every Sunday. When you go to church, this is how you can come to church. Come and learn about how you can move your body, mind, and consciousness. Breathing is important. You must learn how to breathe. Lots of people are doing a lot of work out there, but they're all walking around like this. You know, they're not breathing. And so meditation, sit still and get to hear your own inner voice.
All right, you just said a lot of stuff, so I want to slow it down a little bit. If someone is interested, I know people are watching now, they have concerns and issues and thoughts and whatever.
Knee problem, headache, all of it.
They want to get in touch with you. How can we find you online? We want to find out more about the campaign as well. Tell us about your social media handles and all the good stuff so we can find you.
Just go to CSS.ENT. It's short and sweet. CSS, Conscious Superstar Entertainment .ENT, but it's just CSS.ENT.
And
that's
like I
social
said,
media. Or email.
Okay.
Yeah, yogaangels.com. You can remember that one website, yogaangels.com.
Yeah, because a lot of us in Jamaica kind of resist the yoga for whatever reason. But like yoga for me has been just imperative in calming my nervous system.
It's because I'm not knowing, Nisha.
They don't know.
We don't know, right? So I say, come. I've been doing this 29 years. Just let go of the resistance and come a bit and learn. You may not like it, but at least you can say I tried it before you say I don't like it.
So Yoga Angels and CSS Entertainment.
Awesome.
Let's say.
Thanks so much, Sandra, for joining.
Thank you all. Anisha, I'm so love seeing you. Squeezing. Yes.
On that note, Daytime Live will be right back. When we come back, we have a throwback music video from Luciana. We'll soon forward.